Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the adhesion. There are the fibrinolactin synthesized by the endothelial cells stored and secreted by platelets can bind collagen. There are the endothelial cell collagen, von Willebrand factors, site of injury, platelet inactive and platelet activate. Platelet shape change occur within the second of exposure to activating agents from the flattened disk to sphere with the multiple projecting pseudopores. Polymerization of platelet actin microtubules that are normally at the periphery go to the center surrounding the granules that have gone to the center prior to release. So we can see in this figure that the lumen of the blood vessels and the intact endothelium releases the prostacyclin, smooth muscle cell, collagen subendothelial layer, exposed collagen binds and activates platelet. Aggregate into the platelet plug, release of the platelet factor and attracts more platelets. Platelet aggregation defined as the attachment of activated platelet to each other. Primary aggregations ADP and thrombin cause direct aggregation. GP, second B and third A in and the integrin that recognizes 2RGD sequences present on the fibrinogens. Fibrinogen thus form a bridge between two opposing activated platelets. Next, the secondary aggregation. Substances causing the aggregations by release of ADP or PG, thrombospondin from alpha granules lead to the irreversible aggregation by binding to fibrinogen, and GP4 on the platelet surface. Platelet activation. Series of the progressive overlapping events, shape change, aggregation, liberation and oxidation of arachidonic acid and secretion of alpha and dense granules, reorganization of surface membrane, phospholipids, oriented centripetal contraction of ectomyosin. Primary agonist triggering platelet activation, thrombin formed at injury site, sequence of collagen on the subendothelium, maintenance and amplification of platelet activation ADP, arachidonic acid oxidation products. There are the raised cytosolic calcium triggers phosphorylation of the myosin light chain kinase required for the reorientation of the cytoskeleton proteins needed for the platelet shape change, secretion and contraction. Activation of the calcium dependent protease called the calpain which through proteolysis activates other platelets enzymes. Activations of the phospholipase A2. In today's class, I discuss about the platelet aggregation and adhesion. Thank you for watching.